Hello dear students, here I am going to discuss about multi-antenna transmission. There are 7 different transmission modes defined for data transmission on the physical downlink shared channel, that is PDSCH, physical downlink shared channel. They are: first one, single antenna port 0. Here one transport block is transmitted from a single physical antenna corresponding to antenna port 0. Second one, transmit diversity. One transport block is transmitted from more than one physical antenna, that is port 0 and 1 if two physical antennas are used, and ports 0, 1, 2 and 3 if 4 physical antennas are used. Next, open loop, that is OL, spatial multiplexing. One or two transport blocks are transmitted from 2 or 4 physical antennas. In this case, predefined precoder matrices are used based on the rank indicator feedback. The precoding matrix is fixed and not adapted. Next, closed loop, that is CL, spatial multiplexing. Here also one or two transport blocks are transmitted from 2 or 4 physical antennas. The precoding in this case is adapted based on the precoding matrix indicator, that is PMI indicator, feedback from the user equipment. Next, multi-user, multiple input, multiple output. Two user equipments are multiplexed onto 2 or 4 physical antennas with one transport block to each user equipment. The rank 1 PMI, that is precoding matrix indicator feedback from each user equipment is used to create the overall precoding matrix. Next, closed loop rank 1 precoding. Closed loop rank 1 precoding. It is a special case of the closed loop spatial multiplexing with a single layer transmission, that is P cross 1 precoder is applied. P cross 1 precoder is applied. Next, single antenna port 5. A single transport block is transmitted from 2 or more physical antennas. The E node B performs beamforming to a single user equipment using all physical antennas. Unlike other modes, in this case the reference signal is also transmitted using the same beamforming vector that is used for the data symbols. Thus, for this mode, the beamforming technique used at the E node B is transparent to the user equipment, and the user equipment is able to decode the transport block with the help of this user equipment specific reference signal. Beamforming can be used to improve the received signal power or reduce the interference signal power. Thank you.